Hi and welcome to Bingo Food Book. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all the notification. Patod is a special Rajasthani dish which can be served as farsan or even enjoyed as dokri nu shaak. This is a staple food in my house during Paryushan days, and today it is extra special because my mom is going to give a special touch to the dish. So let's start making it. The first step to make dokdi nu shaak is to make the batter. For that, add in a cup of buttermilk in a wide heavy bottom kadai that is set on a high flame. See to it that your buttermilk should not be too sour. Next to it, add 3 cups of water, salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Now mix it well and let the mixture come to boil. As the mixture comes to boil, gradually add in 2 cups of besan while continuously stirring it. Now lower the flame to medium and mix it thoroughly. Now there are 2 ways for how the flour is added. Some do it before keeping it on the flame, while some do it this way. I would recommend you this because it really gives your dokli a crumbled texture, which is for sure fun to eat. The mixture has got thick enough and it has started leaving the pan. So now set the flame to low, cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes. It has been about 5 minutes and the mixture has cooked completely. So turn off the flame and once again cover it with a lid and keep it aside for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, I have transferred the dokli mixture to a thali that I have greased with oil, and now with the help of a greased bowl we'll set it gently. The dokli mixture has to be about ½ inch thick. You can also set it with the help of your hands, but make sure you grease them. Now let it cool for about 8 to 10 minutes and then with the help of a knife, start cutting into square pieces. Separate the pieces out and you can see the dokli has got a nice crumbly texture and has set into beautiful pieces. Now from this we are going to make 2 types of dokli varieties. So take half of the doklis and start with the tadka. Heat around 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoons of mustard seeds, half teaspoons of cumin seeds and let it splutter. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half of the dokli pieces. Now mix everything and coat the doklis nicely with the tadka and at last add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder and give a final mix. Our masala doklis are done and has got a beautiful color. So now let's start making dokdi nu shaak. For that heat 2 teaspoons of oil, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon hing or asafoetida. Now add in 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 3/4 cup of water, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Now mix it and add the doklis, then cover it with a lid and let it simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. It has been about 5 minutes and our dokli nu shaak is almost ready. Now to get a thick consistency, I will add some dhokli after crumbling them nicely. It really gives a nice texture and adds on to the taste. That's it, both the dhoklis are ready. You can serve it with roti, rotlo and enjoy it hot.